friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. We are on Vlogmas day 7. Y'all, what had happened was I used to be ahead. I was ahead 3 days. Okay, I've also planned this. I had said it in, I think, my October vlog when I was asking you guys when you saw me at my old people Halloween party, which was so much fun, by the way. I was saying I was going to do Vlogmas. I did plan my content calendar, which is why you guys are getting the type of content you're getting that's, you know, pre-planned and, you know, makes sense for me. But yeah, some kind of way in between, we got off track a little bit. My buffer, I'm down to 1 day. I had a 3-day buffer and now we're down to 1, but it is what it is. You know, you got to do what you got to do. The dedication is there and I hope you guys are appreciating the content. So today's agenda includes, y'all, when I posted, because as you could tell, I was a little behind when I posted about the candles. I did actually get some candles online from the sale, so I need to go pick that up. I have a pickup order to go get because they've sent me another friendly reminder. You guys know how those go, like those emails, those like friendly reminder. It really means like, come get your stuff or do what you need to do. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I do need to run an Ulta. I need some more concealer, and then I need to probably go in Target and get my eyebrow gel that I like to use, super affordable. Eventually I will film my updated makeup routine, but I'm not sure when. But the biggest thing we want to do, and I'm actually in here in my office getting ready to do now, is I want to make a holiday delivery cart. Is that what I'm gonna call it? Holiday delivery cart. Yeah. So I want to make a cart for all of my delivery drivers and sit it on my front porch. I thought it would be cute and festive and just something to give back and say thank you to the drivers, because I know especially Amazon comes here quite often, especially because I'm getting ready for my next Amazon designer inspired items video for you guys. So what I like to do, and I will do it and I'll show you guys because I've done it all around my house. Whenever I do an updated office tour or my master closet, I'll show you guys whenever I like want certain photos. I'll look online first to see if I can find something cute that goes with like the aesthetic or the look that I'm looking for. And I'll see if I can just print them, you know, for free 99. And then I'll just get a nice affordable frame and then put them in that. So what we're doing is, I usually go to like Pinterest and I was just searching for some signs, and like I saw this one, it's pretty cute, that says basically, thank you, please take something for the road, happy holidays. I like that one, and then I had already kind of downloaded this one because I kind of liked how it called out all of the couriers. So that one's really cute. I think I'm gonna print them both. Yeah, because this one will be turned. I'll print them both because this one looks landscaped where this one is more, you know, vertical. What I'll do is I'll probably print them in 8x10. I just have an office printer in here that I use. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'll just find an extra frame that I have around the house. But we're going to do that. And then we're going to go shopping for them for something special for the holidays. So of course I'll take you guys along for the ride, and yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and I just want to show you guys an example. This is in my office here across from where I sit. So like this, I totally printed offline and just bought a really nice frame, and the same for this. So yeah, whenever I do a tour, I'll show you guys in detail, but this is just another great way to save money. Just find you a nice print online, honey, and print it yourself. So here she comes, and this is the, what is it? Yeah, this is a printer. And I keep my printer in my closet on this older bookshelf that I just keep everything on in here, just so it's out of the way. I usually have it on the other stand, but I have a black and white printer, and then this is my color one, so I just want to use the color. Oh, this is cute. See? We like it. Thank you. I think I like this one already. I already think I like this one, but we'll see the other one. Come on. Hey, she is slow. Probably because of the color. Yeah, she ain't very fast, y'all. But again, I like options, so. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one's cute too. Oh no. Okay, do we like this one? Or this one? You know what? Let me go find a frame and then we'll see which one looks the best. Honestly, they're both cute. So it appears I don't have a black frame, and I really want a black one because I really want a black cart, because outside is black and I don't want it to be too dressy, but I just want it to be nice. So yeah, we're gonna go get that, but we'll just get, you know, a nice, cheap, affordable frame. But yeah, let's go. Okay, and so these are the prints that are down here in my little foyer corner. But yeah, I printed these offline and I just like them, and yeah, just bought the frames, and they came in like a set from Home Goods, I'm sure. Yeah, so a little tip, save you some coins. Yeah, I just wanted to come on and say, it is again super hot outside. I don't understand. Y'all see the sun? Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I'm hot. Why am I hot in December in Georgia? We're back in here, you guys. Let's see if we can find the candles you guys referred me to, which was black tie and winter. So you guys, I ran right past black tie, so this is what it looks like. Let's smell it, because you guys, it smells clean. I think it's like, this is like a clean man. I think I like this one too, you guys. And then someone else said winter is really good, and that is here. This smells like Christmas, like cinnamon, Christmassy, lots of cinnamon. I like this one too. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car for a moment. I've done all my like little running around. Y'all already saw I got my concealer, I got the brow gel, and I got my candle pickup. I didn't get black tie or winter today because, you know, not on sale, and I just cannot pull myself to do it, but I will be getting those. I just picked up my little 3 candle order, and we got Peach Bellini. That's like a classic. It's really, I mean, peachy. And it's really good for the bathroom. And then I got Mahogany Coconut. This one's really good. I like mahogany anyway. And then just the infamous Mahogany Teakwood. This is also, to me, a classic. This I know. This reminds me. I know some people, you either like Mahogany Teakwood or you don't, but this reminds me of Abercrombie and Fitch. When you walk in, or is it? Yeah. Yeah, it reminds me of Abercrombie when I used to walk in there. We have that, and then I'm about to go to IKEA because they have this cart that I want. I think I'm gonna get like a 3-tiered utility cart. I was thinking about doing a really nice bar cart, but considering this is about to be outside, I was like, no, let's not do that. So you guys can already imagine that it's gonna be more affordable going to IKEA. So I'm gonna go to IKEA. I already checked, it's in stock. I see the aisle in the bin, so I'm gonna run in and I'm gonna run out. That's the plan anyway. And it's only like, I think it's 24 or 29. So an affordable cart. And then I need to still find a frame, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and just get a bunch of snacks, and then I'll probably take it home and then put it together. And yeah, I really want to find like a tin with the old school popcorn in it, because I think that's what I want to do tonight. I just want to chill, eat some popcorn, and watch a movie. I just want to eat popcorn, watch TV. And I really want the old school. I'm feeling nostalgic. So I want the old school can with like the 3 in there with the cheddar and the butter and the caramel in the tin can. Yeah, so hopefully I find it. We'll see. Okay, we're looking for, let's see, this is aisle 21, bin 18. Okay. This is not aisle 21. Bin 18. What in the world? Oh, it's here. Okay, here it is. Okay, it's $29.99. It's just a little utility cart, and we're gonna get the black one. Boom. So I decided to come over here for the frames, you guys. $4.99. Let's see if we can find, yeah, look, 8.5 by 11. This is perfect. Just something small and sweet. This is what we're gonna get. Now let's get out of here. Yeah, I've made it home and I'm so tired. I feel like I've been out all day, but we're gonna make the cart. I could not find, which I didn't go in Wally World. I was not in the mood. So in the grocery store, I didn't see the cans of popcorn. I probably should have looked somewhere else, but I did get me some popcorn, like the movie popped popcorn. So yeah, I got a bag of that so that when I get done with this, I can chill out. We're gonna put together this little cart. Hopefully it's perfect. I got a few snacks and drinks for the cart, so I'm gonna build it and then we'll see how big it is because it looks like it's gonna be kind of small, but that's okay. And then we'll fill it. You guys, this is a finished product. It's perfect, literally, and it was super easy to put together. So you have the 3 tiers, and this one's like a open tray part. I like it. It's actually a really nice little cart. Not bad for 20 something bucks, and it's super clean cut. But yeah, let's fill her up. Okay, you guys, this is pretty much it. As you can see, I did waters and just some sodas. I tried to do red and green. Y'all, I was trying to make it festive, and I did the same thing with the chips. Just did some chips and some pretzels. I wanted to do like breakfast on top. So, I mean, I figure as a driver, maybe you want like something to drink. Maybe you want some coffee if you do morning runs to keep you up. These are like little muffin kind of breakfasty bars. So I did those. I have some Redbird peppermint just in case they just want a mint. There's some Celsius, you know, if you need some espresso energy. I think I'm leaving some room up here to kind of play around because I kind of want to put my little faux tree here. And then, of course, I need to put the sign on the cart. But yeah, I think this is really sweet. And hopefully they'll actually like it and take something. So let me finish everything up and I'll show you guys the final product. So I just took the paper off of this and it just pops, kind of just pops out. And then we're gonna need to take off the plastic. It's just like their frames, like the ones I have in my room. They have this little film on them. And we'll just take this off. And we'll take off the other side, like so. And we'll put it back in here. Now, I have not decided which one. I'm going to try the one that stands up first that I printed because I just want to see how it looks like in there. Okay, this is not a good size. Well, we're going to make it work. We're going to keep the paper that it came in. We're gonna flip it over so that only the white stuff shows instead of like the barcode stuff. And we're gonna just put this puppy on here and see what happens, cause what? Wait, let me see what this looks like. It's a little off center. It's just not doing what I want it to do. The size is off and I don't want to cut it, although I probably should. So, see, it's kind of hanging off the edges. But, yeah, we about to just, I really should just cut this off. I'm being a little basic right now. Let's see. I think because I don't even know if I want this one in here right now. Let's just see what happens. Oh, gosh. Probably should not. I'll do this like this. And it just snaps in place. That's kind of cool. Let's see. It's not bad. Let's go see what it looks like. Hold on. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product. I decided to use this sign so I could stand it up, and it's just a little, like, I don't know, cardboard stand. It fits perfect in the tray. Have everything up here, and I decided to move. I kept everything kind of breakfast and like mint up here, and I put my little extra little flock tree that I've had forever up here too. Of course, the chips, and then I just moved the Celsius down here. So we have Celsius and then some soda and some water. So how cute. So you guys, I think that's going to be it for the night. I hope you enjoyed that. I didn't really have too many things planned. I did plan to make this delivery driver cart with you guys today. And then I just didn't expect to be running around the world and in traffic along with everything else. So I do hope you enjoyed making that with me. I am about to, this is my popcorn I got, you guys. Y'all, just a fun fact, I love popcorn, but I like the movie theater butter popcorn. That's like my favorite. And if you guys have never tried Safe and Fair, you know what? Let me see if they still have this popcorn that's like one of my favorite from Safe and Fair. They're more like, they're clean. It's definitely not as like heavy as regular popped, like carnival popped popcorn, although I do love that. If you're looking for something like lighter, but it still has lots of flavor, y'all, this, yes, let me zoom it in. Oh, this binge watching buttery popcorn. Yeah, this binge watching buttery popcorn right here, literally my favorite. And I think it's like $13 for like a 2-pack. They're like $6.50 a bag, and the bags are pretty big. I wouldn't say it's this because it's not this long, but it's like wider. And they're so good. Another one of my favorites is key lime pie popcorn. I know it sounds weird, but it's actually really good. And I used to have a code with them. Actually, let's see if it works to you. Okay, so yeah, I checked and my code still works. So if you use the code MeToya10, it will get you 10% off of your purchase. I would suggest trying enough to at least get free shipping. But yeah, it's really good, y'all. I promise. It's some really good popcorn. But anyway, I love popcorn. I'm gonna go shower and do a little work, watch a movie, hopefully. Y'all, I already got a feeling the movie's gonna watch me, but I'm gonna have some popcorn. And yeah, you guys, if you try the tray or the delivery cart, if you try it, and again, you don't have to get this one, you can totally buy or use something that you already have. I used to always want a bar cart, and I actually never got one. So I was like, I need a little cart. So IKEA was the cheaper way to go. Yeah, you're gonna have to put it together, but I promise it's not hard. And I think it took me maybe 15-20 minutes, and it probably took longer because I was trying to film it as well, but I don't think it would take you that long. It's just another option if you don't have a cart. This one's very nice actually. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas day number 7, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.